Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, March 21st, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Please post attendance, teachers. Very important that you do that. PST, all PST documentation should be current. Cell phones. Students should not have cell phones in class. If students bring a cell phone to school, it must remain in the backpack and powered off. Outerwear. Many students are wearing jackets, sweatshirts, and other things that do not follow our uniform policy. Once students come into the building and are in their classroom, outerwear should meet uniform guidelines. So if you wear something that's out of uniform, when you get to your classroom, you need to take it off and put it into your backpack. There are to be no hoodies worn. No one should be wearing a hoodie at all during the day. Late duty. Monday is Miss Stowe, Tuesday is Miss Moore, Wednesday is Miss Everett, Thursday is Miss Lee, and Friday is Miss Shaver. Important dates. Monday, today, the fourth quarter begins. Also, today we begin our ACAP testing for second and third grade reading, and our ACAP alternate begins. Tuesday, March 22nd is going to be our math PLT. Wednesday, March 23rd, we have HMH representative on campus. Friday, March 25th is Feel Good Friday. Also, we have World Epilepsy Day. Students may wear a purple shirt with uniform pants on this day for a $2 donation to support epilepsy. Tuesday, March 29th, we have PST. The ACAP Scholar Supporters, Miss Pre-K is going to be supporting Miss Overstreet's class. Miss Waller's class is going to support Miss Bolton and Miss Lankford. Miss Lee's class is going to support Miss Wolf and Miss Moore. Miss Guidry's class is going to cheer on Miss Arch and Miss Barnes' classes. Miss Cunningham's class is going to cheer on Miss Everett and Miss Heichman's classes. Miss Shaver class is going to cheer for Miss Hamlin and Miss Washam's classes. Miss Clark's class will support Miss Berlino and Miss Peralta's classes. Miss Duberg's class will cheer for Battaglia and Granger's classes. And Miss Hogan will support Weaver and Curd's classes. All right, super exciting. Please cheer on your ACAP testing classes during the weeks that they test. Signs, notes, cheers, chants, songs, all of those things, high fives, whatever you want to do, pump them up in any way that you can. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.